My name is Dr. Mbalenhle Mpanza. I am a senior lecturer and deputy head of department in the Mining Engineering and Mine Surveying department. What excites me about leading this department is that we have mining professionals with vast experience teaching in our programs. We're also producing future mining engineers and mine surveyors that will contribute immensely in the mining industry. I just think that we will be producing the future Patrice Mutsipes and Mark Dekes of the country. Our department teaches and trains aspiring mining engineers and mine surveyors the entire mine value chain and the mine life cycle. Students are taught mineral resource discovery, identification, planning, extraction, as well as beneficiation. This is important as mining remains the backbone of South Africa. It contributes 6 to 7% to the GDP, employs 470,000 people, and each of those 470,000 people, there are 10 dependents who benefit from the mining employment. Mining is important for infrastructure development, socio and economic development of the country. The country is 13th in the world in gold production, and it is 4th in gold production in Africa. We are a major producer of PGMs, chrome, manganese, titanium, vanadium, zirconium, and iron. Almost everything we use and see is the result of mining. For example, car manufacturing requires PGMs and chromium. Also, construction requires the production of iron, which produces steel. The cell phones that we use and we love so much also are from mining. Minerals like tantalum, the rare earth elements, lithium we use in the batteries of our cell phones. Mining also contributes to agriculture through the production of lime and phosphate, lime acting as a neutralizer for soils and phosphate acting as a fertilizer. Indeed, if it is not grown, it is mined. We've got two programs, which is the Bachelor Engineering Technology in Mining Engineering and the Bachelor of Mine Surveying. Although these are two programs, most of the modules are attended together. The BN Tech Mining introduces students to fundamentals of mining through the mining practice module, and also in the Bachelor of Mine Surveying, we have Mine Surveying A, which introduces our students to the concepts and fundamentals of mine surveying. At second year, we build on the introductory content covered in first year, which looks into the various mining methods, equipment required in modules like Mining Code 2A and Mining Metal 2A. At third year, the program starts specializing and looking at modules like geotechnical engineering, rock engineering, occupational hygiene, which addresses issues of ventilation, health and safety. Legislation, we also look into modules like engineering management. Very important, we expose our students to 3D mine planning and design. The subjects required from high school is that a learner needs to have done English, physics, and mathematics. And the bare minimum APS score required is 23. Our program adequately prepares our students for the fourth industrial revolution. We have a mock mine facility in the basement of Koboza Cluster building, where we have a simulation of a real mining environment. This shows a real narrow reef underground mine, typical of a conventional mining method. So we use that facility to train our students on the practical aspects of mining. In the same venue, we have a virtual blast wall, a gaming board and pillar cone mining method to expose our students to the different kinds of mining and the activities involved within mine production. At third year level, we train our students on 3D mine planning and design software. We also expose our students to ventilation software as well as rock engineering software. On the survey side, we expose our students to the mock mine facility, where mine surveying students take their total station and actually survey the entire mock mine. So an ideal learner who can join our department and our programs is a learner who is resilient, diligent, disciplined, and internally driven. Come to think of it, working under pressure, underground, requires all these traits. A learner will need to be courageous, working in uncomfortable conditions, walking long distances in hot and humid areas.
The best moment that I've ever felt like I belong in mining engineering is when I went to my first mining visit at Sibanye Still Waters. And when I got there, we went underground, everything was well, the lights, it felt like home. So the communication that was among the workers, it was so exquisite, and I felt like, you know what, this is where I want to be, because I enjoyed the underground experience.
Mining engineers can work and focus on 3D mine planning and design, and work for consulting firms, audit firms, original equipment manufacturers, research institutions such as the CSIR, for financial institutions such as banks, where they can conduct due diligence of mining projects and help evaluate mine project viability, as well as academia like myself, where they can do teaching and research. Government institutions such as the Department of Petroleum and Mineral Resources, where they work as mine inspectors and enforce compliance at mines. Our graduates can work both locally and globally. We have graduates working in the US, Australia, the DRC, as well as Mali. Our qualification is globally recognized because we are accredited by the Engineering Council of South Africa, ECSA, which is recognized by the Washington Accord, which is a global body that recognizes all engineering programs worldwide. It means a lot for us to be part of the top-ranked faculty in South Africa, because this affirms that we are doing something right and we are contributing to the quality engineers of South Africa. Mining contributes to the host communities where they operate through what the policy called social and labor plan. So the policy ensures that mining companies look after the mining affected communities through providing employment, through providing bursaries to the youth, internships, and economically developing the surrounding towns. With regards to community engagement, we have one student worked on gold mine tailings, which is mine waste. They used the mine waste to manufacture paving bricks. The student worked with the community of Snake Park and Slovoville in Soweto to try and combat the pollution from mine tailings. I'm mostly proud of being part of the department because our staff members now all have their master's degrees and are currently pursuing their doctoral studies. I'm proud of collaborating with the mining industry through research and having the industry support our students through experiential learning, visits, vacation work, and internships. I'm proud of the fact that most of our alumni occupy managerial positions in the industry. And I'm proud of the fact that I was here when we celebrated the centenary, which is 100 years of the department in 2025.
The reason I chose mine surveying is because I love numbers, I love technology, and also I'm someone that doesn't like being in one place for a long time. So mine surveying allows me to be in the field doing the practical work and also being in the office. So this is the perfect area for me because also it's a combination of technical as well as theory, which is something that I really enjoy.
Learners should consider coming to the University of Johannesburg because it's one of the top universities in South Africa. Our faculty is ranked #1 in the country, the engineering faculty. And our department focuses on the practical aspects of mining, providing practical training through our mock mine facility, providing mining aspects beyond the classroom. And this is one of the reasons that our graduates are most sought after by the mining industry.